Hi there! So this is the newly launched Redmi Buds 6, the successor to the Redmi Buds 5, which too we had reviewed earlier on our channel. Now Redmi Buds have been very popular for three reasons: reliability, good audio quality and pocket-friendly pricing. Now Xiaomi has taken it a notch further by introducing dual drivers, better ANC, longer battery life, dual device connectivity, and it's still priced at just 2,799. We got a chance to test the ANC on the flight. Let me share everything in detail, the good, the not so good, so you can decide if you should buy these or skip these. Let's begin with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the buds. We have the green color. Some key features are mentioned on the side. Some manufacturing details. The MRP has been cut off. Yes, this also comes with fast pairing, Google fast pairing support, Redmi Buds 6 by Xiaomi. Without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top is this card. This is for the Xiaomi earbuds app, and here's the QR code to download that app. Then here is the user manual that no one reads. Well, maybe for earbuds some people do. Then you finally have the Redmi Buds 6. We'll keep it aside for a moment. Then you have two extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. And yes, Redmi doesn't do any cost cutting. They give us a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Good job there. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. Now the first thing that grabs your attention is this gorgeous ivy green color, absolutely eye-catchy. The other thing is that it's kind of a successor of the Redmi Buds 5, so it has a very similar design language, which I really like. You get a matte finish on the top with the Redmi branding. The bottom too is matte. It has this glossy finish on the bezels, which I think also looks really nice. The case is really nice and compact, weighs barely 43.2 grams with the earbuds inside, which is really good. On the front here, there is a rail LED light, which I'll show you more about it later. And of course, there is a USB-C port to charge the earbuds. Let's open it up, and the best part is you can open it up just with one hand, which personally I find very convenient. Ooh, that's nice. You have a soft closing lid. Did you hear that? So you don't have that snapping sound. It's a soft closing lid. Wow, very nice. So obviously inside you can spot the earbuds. Let's have a closer look at them. And there you go, finally the earbuds, and these come with the buds and a stem design. You can see this line-like design even on the stem. You can spot a couple of microphones on them, which are going to assist you for noise cancellation, transparency and phone calls. These buds weigh just 5 grams each, which is also really good and compact. The Redmi Buds 6 come with IP54 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But remember, the case doesn't, so keep it dry and safe. Then we also get Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life and more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC and AAC support. That Google fast pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. There will also be a recommendation to download the Xiaomi earbuds app, which I highly recommend you do. Follow the setup process and the device will be ready to use in a couple of seconds. More about the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Now, as you can see, I'm already wearing both, and I can tell you that they snug in pretty well and block most of the passive sound without even turning on ANC. Just make sure you're wearing the right size of ear tips for better seal and fit. You can run an ear tip fit test from the app. It will run some music in the background, and there you see, good fit. Alright, time for the head shake test. Baapre, chakkar hi aa gaye. But as you can see, they completely remain in place and the fit is really good. Let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that these come with dual drivers in each earbud. 12.4 mm dynamic titanium driver and 5.5 mm micro piezo electric driver. Very confusing names. But what it essentially does is sound separation for better audio fidelity. Just like any home theater system, different speakers for highs and vocals and a subwoofer for bass. Coming back to the sound quality. Firstly, that would drastically depend on the sound profile you choose from the app. Let's talk about the balanced board. So it's kind of self-explanatory, very well balanced, crisp audio, good highs with deep bass. Just the way actually I love it. Then there's enhanced treble, so more instrument clarity with subtle bass. Nice for jazz and classical music. Then there's enhanced bass. Obviously, it increases the bass, but at the same time, the vocals and highs aren't muffled. True benefit of dual drivers. Then enhanced voice. It's ideal for podcast or while watching movies. The dialogues remain crystal clear. They get more than enough loud and there's no distortion even at high volume. But sadly, there's no custom EQ support. Or maybe I just couldn't find it on the app. It's very surprising, so you'll have to make do with only 4 of these presets. Talking about ANC. Well, it comes with 49 decibels ANC, which sounds amazing on paper, but how does it stack up in reality? We got a chance to test these on a flight. We turned on ANC from the app. Firstly, you can increase and decrease the intensity as per your preference, which is always a good thing to have. I must say, it performed way beyond my expectations. It cancels out most of the white noise by almost 90%. Frankly, for under 3000, the Redmi Buds 6 nailed the ANC. I didn't experience that ear pressure either with crystal clear audio. My favorite part is to turn on ANC on a flight and fall asleep. No more crying babies and unnecessary flight announcements to disturb you. Then there's also transparency mode, which too you can adjust from the app. There's regular mode. You can enhance the voice mode. So technically you can talk to people while wearing these, and then there's enhanced ambient sound to be more aware of your surroundings. It's ideal while taking a walk in the park or while riding a bicycle on a busy street. We also use these for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Redmi Buds 6, and this is how you would sound to the other person when you're on a phone call. It comes with quad mics with AI noise cancellation that removes all the external sound, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. Then it also comes with tap gestures, so you can pause play the music, you can change tracks, you can toggle ANC on and off. In fact, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app, including the ability to adjust the volume, which I personally find very handy because you don't need to reach out to your phone every time. By the way, these also come with in-ear detection, so the music pauses every time you remove the earbud and resumes almost instantly as you put it back. Works really well, and yes, you can disable this feature from the app if you want to. Then it also comes with dual device pairing, which you can enable from the app. So now you can pair 2 phones at the same time or 1 phone and 1 laptop at the same time. So for example, you're watching something on your laptop and you receive a phone call, the connection will switch to the phone, you can answer the call, talk, end the call, and the audio will resume back to the laptop. Always handy. It's a must-have feature in the current scenario where we all have multiple devices. Then it also comes with 62 millisecond low latency, where you can use it to play games. There isn't a dedicated gaming mode as such, but yes, we didn't notice any delay or lag. It was very much enjoyable. Similarly, you can use it to watch videos and movies. Again, it worked really well. Lip sync was on point. Easily recommended to be worn for long flights to watch your movies and videos. So let's have a quick look at the Xiaomi Earbuds companion app. So right on the top you can see the image of the earbuds, you can see the battery of both the earbuds, you can turn on noise cancellation, you can turn on transparency mode, you can turn it off directly from here. By the way, you also get up to 3 months of Spotify Premium free with the Xiaomi earbuds, which I think is an amazing deal to get. Then of course you can adjust the gestures, audio effects you can change from here, additional settings where you can have in-ear detection toggle on and off, ear tip test, dual device connectivity, take calls immediately, you can even rename the earbuds. Then further down you have find your earbuds, firmware update, about this device, FAQs and about earbuds. It's fairly simple and easy to understand. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 475 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 54 mAh battery, which in total will last you for about 42 hours. That's on paper. In reality, the earbuds will last you for about 7 to 8 hours on a single charge and about 35 hours with the case. This is without ANC. With ANC, about 4 to 5 hours with the earbuds and about 24 hours with the case. Frankly, very solid numbers for TWS earbuds. Also, I must add, there is a strip of light in front that shows the amount of charge the case holds. Plus, when you put it to charge, the LED light shows the charging process with an animation, also showing you how much the case has charged. I think this is very cool. Alright, final thoughts. So the Redmi Buds 6 has what we call a simple no messy experience, good sound quality, solid battery life, impressive ANC and pocket-friendly pricing. I do miss the custom equalizer option, but that's not something I would worry too much about, as the standard EQ along with dual drivers surely won't let you down. Also, I'm loving this new ivy green color and design. What do you think? Yes, it's also available in black and white. For 2,799, the Redmi Buds 6 are an easy recommendation. It goes on sale today, 13th of December at 12 PM. I'll share the links of all the color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one or gift someone, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.